Rain pours over a lonely road. A broken down car sits silent.
Not now!
Lena bangs them.
I can't see it.
Behind her, a man suddenly appears, soaked, pale. "I can help," he says. She didn't hear him walk up. He fixes the engine quickly, hands moving too fast.
Elias,
Lena
hurry! The
watches,
storm is getting worse.
uneasy.
I know, I'm working
Lightning
as fast as I
flashes.
can.
The shadow doesn't
Wait, your
match
shadow!
his body.
Elias, what is that?
Name's
It's just the
Elias,
storm. Stay
he
back.
says, smiling softly.
Come on, you
The car
stubborn thing.
starts.
Is it working?
She should leave,
There
but
we go.
doesn't. They drive together
Okay,
through thick
let's go.
fog.
Okay.
The radio
Get in.
crackles, then whispers Lena's name. She turns it off. Elias gently takes her hand. His skin is ice cold. "Don't be scared," he says. The road disappears, just darkness ahead.
It's okay.
Lena slams
I'm
the
here.
brakes, but the car keeps moving. Outside, shadowy figures drift closer.
The road,
Elias
it's disappearing.
leans in,
Brake, hit the red
almost
brake.
Protective.
It's not stopping!
What's that? What's that in the fog?
Rick, can't you slide? Elias, they're getting closer.
I see them. Stay calm.
They're surrounding us.
I'm right here. They won't touch you.
They're hesitating.
Lena, hang on!
What's happening?
The road, it's a cliff!
Oh my god, down there. A car. Stay here. Elias, they're coming closer.
Stay inside. I'll handle this.
Be careful!
Lena, take my hand! There's no time. Trust me.
Okay. Stay close to me.